Hi, I'm Scot Mentzer with Orchard Hill Mortgage, and this is your weekly mortgage update. Let's take a look at the mortgage rate recap for last week. Rates did continue to move higher last week, and this was due to the Fed signaling that they would raise their rate one more time in 2023 and continue to hold that rate higher into 2024. Let's take a look at the forecast for this week. Rates will continue to move higher, and this is due to the markets responding to the Fed indicating that they will continue their aggressive fight against inflation. And since what the Fed does influences all credit loans such as car loans, credit cards, and mortgage rates, it is unlikely we will see rates drop anytime soon. Let's take a look at what's affecting rates this week. We have three items: oil prices, global bond market, and the Fed. So oil prices have spiked up recently, which contributes to inflation, and this will not be good for mortgage rates. Global bond market, there has been an increase in their yield, and this affects U.S. bond markets, which then puts pressure on the mortgage bond market, which leads to an increase in mortgage rates. And then the Fed members are out giving their speeches after their Fed meeting last week, and they have been all saying they are still continuing to look to aggressively fighting inflation, and inflation continues to rise, with most of the members indicating that there will be continued rate increases into 2024. So this is not a good sign for mortgage rates. Right now, mortgage rates are hovering around 7.5 to 7.75, and some of the forecasters for mortgage rates believe that we could hit the 8 mark soon. Let's hope that doesn't happen, but it seems with the way inflation is not coming down to the Fed's satisfaction, they really want inflation to be at 2%. We're not there yet. Looks like we're at about 3.7 from some of the last financial reports. So looks like we could see higher rates for the near future. That's all I have for this week for the mortgage update. I'm Scot Mentzer with Orchard Hill Mortgage. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully I'll see you again next week.